Hello friends! Are you using your mobile phone or tablet for flying your Ryze Tello? In this video, I'll show you how to use a flying goggles. Let's go! When you wear goggles, your flying experience will improve a lot. Goggles isolates you from environment. It has two great advantages. First of all, forget about sun glares. You will get a brighter, clear image despite full sunlight. Secondly, as you are not disturbed from surroundings, flying immersion is absolute. You will enjoy flying in a totally new way, as your point of view totally changes. Let me talk about the more usual double-lens virtual reality goggles. They carry a pair of little lenses and provide a different image for each eye. On the other side, less known single-lens first-person view goggles. They were used for years by hobbyists. They carry a single, big lens and provide a single image for both eyes. Now we are ready for a side-by-side comparison. I'll start Tello FPV flying application. First, double lens virtual reality goggle. Remember, this goggles model uses a different image for each eye. We need to use a special mode into Tello FPV flying application. As you can see, screen splits in two halves, one for each eye. Major drawback is screen surface is reduced by half. Notice flight controls and indicators are reduced accordingly. You only have a simplified version of your flight screen. Secondly, let me test single-lens first-person view goggles. As said, this goggles model don't need a different image for each eye. That way, we can keep using normal mode into Tello FPV flying application. You can see, this way, we are using full screen area at full resolution. There is no need for hiding any controller gaze. Flying experience is far better. Now, come on for a countryside test. Tello is connected and ready for takeoff. Tello FPV flying application run at full screen, no special mode engaged. We only have to slide phone into empty slot. Put on goggles and fly. It's very difficult for me explaining you the feeling I got. You look at yourself, but you feel like someone else. here orbiting around myself. You feel free like a bird. You even feel confused. When you take off your glasses, you feel you have lost something special. Summarize it. Single lens FPV goggles need not any special mode. Uses full screen resolution, and everything is cheaper and more simple. You can even build by yourself. Thanks for watching, and please press like and subscribe buttons.